completed. I mean the previous part which I was explaining you, I was stuck there.
Mm-hmm.
So that has been completed. I have completed the extraction part, transformation part. I mean, I have created both characteristics and key
Mm-hmm.
info,
Okay.
info objects. Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
info area.
Info area you have created. Okay.
No, I
Mm-hmm.
mean, sorry, object info area, and within that, I have created info object catalog. I mean, the characteristics and key figure catalog. And I
Mm-hmm.
have already, I have added the tables. I mean, sorry, the headers. I mean, what do you call them? Employee ID, date of birth, first name,
Okay.
and
Info objects.
yeah, and the salary part. I have created all those things. I mean, but while I was trying, I mean, today I was getting a lot of problem in the server. Once I got, let me share the
Mm-hmm.
screenshot. Just a moment.
Which server you are using?
Yeah, the same one.
Password SLT22.
I think it was 28.
Okay, 28 you are referring. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's 28. But because the 22 one which you gave the password yesterday, it's not taking it. I mean, Sam at the rate 22. It was not accepting the password.
No, currently I'm on that server only. See?
So it's capital SAM at the
No,
rate.
no, no. There's no capital. All things are small.
Okay, fine, fine. That must be a problem. No worries. I'm using the previous one. I mean the
Mm-hmm.
SLT 28 one.
Okay.
So let me send you the screenshot. Just a moment. Can't I send you something? I mean, while the screen sharing is on.
You can send us a in chat, I guess. Yeah, you can send the file. Yeah, you can send it.
Mm. I don't see the option.
See here, add file.
Yeah, but I'm not getting that page actually. And I'm clicking
Mm,
on yours.
1 second. Let me check. Say for example, I'm just sending this document to you. Okay.
No worries, I can share my screen for a while. That will be
Yeah,
okay.
sure. No problem. Let me just close the sharing. Stop sharing. Okay. Now you can share your screen.
You able to see?
Yes, I can see.
Because I was clicking here and it's not taking it. No
Uh,
worries.
no. Go there. Go down actually. Go down. Okay. You have option called SC. S here. Symbol. S symbol. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. There. See. Click on
Oh,
that. Click on that.
got it. So this would be for 28. Yeah.
Now you can open it. No need to send.
Okay. Let me open that.
Uh,
Yeah.
what? Uh-huh. So
So
what you are
this
creating on that time? That is the main question. What you are creating on that
I
time?
was creating a
Mm-hmm.
info object. I mean info
Mm-hmm.
area, I guess. So this
Okay.
was one
Where you
error,
are?
and yeah, and
Oh no
I
no no.
think
Just go to the tool. Go to the tool.
yeah. So I mean that I mean what I did was I mean I again deleted all everything again. I created from scratch. I was doing that only. So
Mm-hmm.
that's the reason it took a lot of time. And one more thing, I mean the service it was bit I mean working bit slow today when I was working.
It depends on the network actually. Okay. It is
Oh,
depend
okay.
on okay
So that's
network.
it. So I mean you can see I mean I have created.
1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Sure.
We'll go one by one. Okay. So no go back to main screen. Yes. Click there. Click there. One more time.
Yeah. So if,
Yes. Wait. If you see uh, the option, okay, to create info area, okay, you will get under info object also and under info provider also. Where is info provider? Okay, both the places you will get. Okay,
okay.
but what I suggested you, create info area where. Hmm?
Inside info object.
Inside info object. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
so please follow that process. Okay, then only you will not get this kind of error. Okay, if you are creating some other places, then definitely will get the errors. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
similar way, you can see under the info provider also you are getting the opportunity to create info objects. Okay,
Yeah.
but we need to do.
That must be my mistake. And
Yeah.
for that I deleted everything. I again created it
No
from
problem, no
scratch.
problem,
I
no
created
problem.
things from scratch. So these are the character info cubes. Sorry, info catalogs.
Yes,
This is
catalog
yeah. These are the info.
characteristics.
These are info
Characteristics.
objects. Sorry, these are the info
Yeah.
objects which I created. The character ones, and this was for the key part. And for info provider,
Mm-hmm.
I think this is still pending. Yeah. So I mean, I created again a fresh source system. I created a data
And how you
source.
are maintaining that? How you are maintaining that means the codes?
Yeah, the codes are, I mean, the way you said, I mean, starting with Z,
Can you share
and
with me what where from where we are sharing in Excel or Notepad where you are
uh,
saving?
I was just writing them down.
Okay.
Yeah,
No,
I
use
can click
Excel.
a, I
Use
can,
Excel. Okay.
okay, yeah, okay,
And by this weekend, I will share one document for that also. Okay. So will you will have them some not I mean, some guideline like how you are going to store that things. Okay, in real time.
So if you want, I mean, I can click a picture from the notepad and I can send you if you wish.
Create one Excel. No, that is fine. No? Create an
Yeah,
Excel and share it with me. So that
yeah,
would be fine.
yeah, that would be
Okay.
shared. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Fine. I mean, yesterday's class, I haven't covered any practical part yet because I was still stuck with creating everything from scratch on, I mean, the source
Definitely, it will
system.
take time. Definitely, it will take time, and it's a process.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
so if you missed anything, definitely you will stuck. Okay,
yeah.
so don't worry for that.
No, I'll
Uh,
catch up. I mean, because
uh,
I was creating everything from scratch. That's the reason it took some more
uh,
time for me.
okay.
So,
No problem. So, okay, now,
so I'll stop sharing.
yes,
Okay.
let me share my screen. Today, we'll go with, okay,
Go with.
go with Hana one, correct?
Okay. Hana.
Or let me check one thing. Let me check one thing, okay? Just close your from your system,
Sure.
okay? BW 715.
Yeah. Closed.
Okay. Uh, Right, 765. Slash n or r next. Hmm. No, it is also means I'm checking the B Bex thing, but
Okay.
it is also not available in normal BW system. Okay. Uh, Let it be. So I'll closing this and I'm going to our HANA. So under this, what we have created, filter abhi, I guess, correct? Hmm?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, it's working. Okay, it's fine then. Okay. See, for the normal BW, okay, that backsquare is working fine. Okay.
So I mean, we can access this from the web and from here as well. Or
No, no, this is also a window-based tool. Okay,
okay.
but what I'm telling is, what I'm trying to tell is, see, here we have BI 7.5 and BW on HANA. For BI 7.5, the backend is MS SQL, and for BW on HANA, that is your HANA DB.
Okay.
So the Bex thing is working in BI 7.5. Okay, not in BW on HANA. Okay, so we can create our all the stuffs for Bex. Okay,
Mm-hmm. And the
and
BI
yeah, in
7.
BI 7.5 and go and create the Bex things. Okay,
Okay.
so that is one thing we can do it, or if or else we can go ahead and find package bhi, that is package is also there. So we have completed till attribute view, correct?
Yeah. On HANA, right? On
Yeah.
HANA, we have completed the. I mean, the time part was remaining.
Okay, the time is pending. Okay, time will take it. Okay, the time will
Yeah.
take it.
We had covered only the first one. I mean the.
Okay, attribute view only we have completed. Okay, attribute view also we have created only one. Okay.
Yeah, under attribute view, I mean the time part is pending.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, no problem. I will take it up that one also.
Oh,
Okay. Mm, so if you consider it, let to take one notepad. Okay. So attribute view. Uh, what attribute we have created? So we have created attribute derived one, attribute one employee, one table and two tables. Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Hmm. So that's fine. Same way for vertical view, we'll go ahead with one table. Okay. One attribute view plus one table. Okay, I'm just creating some scenarios. Okay.
So we are
One.
again creating the attribute view, or
No, no, same attribute view which we have created. I'm trying to pull the records from the attribute view.
oh, okay.
Okay. In attribute view, one table and two tables. Okay. So
Okay.
we'll try to create these three scenarios. Okay. So let me check what kind of data we have in table. What are the table we have? So abhi we have table called, okay, employee SQL code, employee data. What
Ranjit, give
data
me
we have?
2 minutes. Let me pull the charger.
Okay, no problem. Go ahead. Data preview. Where is the data remaining? what is this?
Yeah, Ranjit.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry.
Let me quickly check where is the tables actually. Okay, then only we can go ahead and create things. So, Avinash, yes, this one actually we need to take. Okay, so that is the Avinash. Okay, filter it out. Filter AVHINASH. Okay. Hmm. So we have employee Abhi, that is one table. Let me quickly check what the data in it. So we have, I'm just closing all the stuffs. Okay, so we have employee ID, then we have salary also here. MNL means what? Manual. Okay, no problem. And employee date of birth is data preview. Okay, so that, okay. Mm, I'm not sure that both the databases are same or not, but okay, we'll try to create. I'm just creating one new analytical view. Okay,
Oh,
and I'm putting the name with one table. Okay, that's it.
oh,
Analytical view, one table. It should be underscore. So now what will happen? You can see there is a one subfolder created with the name of, okay,
one table.
one table, and this small thing means it is not yet activated. Okay,
Okay.
now
Oh,
if you go to your attribute view, earlier you are able to see semantics and data foundation. Now if you go into the article view, you will see semantic star join and data foundation. Okay, so
okay.
what is the things are available here means how the all the three items are working. Okay, I will tell you. So we will go ahead and create one table first, that is one. Okay, so salary, as we are creating an article view, so definitely we need some
Uh, numeric values.
numeric value, fact figure we need.
Yeah.
Now go to star join. So same object which what we have pulled, we are able to see here. Okay, let me just close this section. Okay, and the same columns are available here, and we have calculated columns, restricted columns, and input parameters. Okay, so I already discussed with this calculated column. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
in previous classes. Okay, or I will tell you again one more time.
No,
Okay,
you had, yeah, we had discussed about that.
yes, yes. So then I need to go to the semantic, and I'll take as a employee ID as a, one minute, maybe it's got stuck. What happened to Hana? It's closed automatically.
So the data, I mean the one which we created, it's called gone, or
No, no,
it is.
it would be available, and but it is not activated.
Okay.
Okay. No. message. Got slow, I guess. Hmm? What happened?
Again crashed?
Yes, yes. Is HANA is open at your system?
No, I don't think so. I was working on BW. No, it's not open on me.
This is the problem with servers. But I'm facing this. I'm facing first time actually.
Yeah, I mean, today while I was working, I mean, the system was really slow.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Let me go and filter it out. Okay. Contain also should be filter with message. Okay. See article view.
Yeah, one table.
This one. Yeah, one table. So okay, that one gone. Let me pull that table here in the data foundation, and I'm just doing this activity till salary. I'm checking. Into the star join. No need to do actually in star join if you're pulling one table. Okay, and then employee ID would be no, something is missing again. It will go on. Oh, why it is happening? Why it is happening? Okay, let me do one thing.
You can connect to the session which I'm using. I mean, the server
Yes,
which
yes,
I'm
I'm doing the same. 1 minute. It is same server actually. Okay, only the
username is different.
username is different. SLT28.
It's hana at the rate something.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, HANA at the rate 28. Mm, yes, it is slow to let's see.
Yeah.
Mhm. 1 minute. What about my third server? 579. Continue because the user responded not authorized. Okay. What happened? Release. What is going on? Let me.
And in this server, I mean, I can see Excel is not responding. I even tried closing that, but it was not any. It was not getting closed.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Here Hana is also not responding. Why? What happened to Hana? And we don't have any other choice also. Okay, if you go to other vendor also, they will also provide the same service. Only username will be different. Okay, maybe the only last extension would be different, but it's coming from the same source. Okay. Mm, mm. Oh, it will not work today, I guess. Okay, let me go to salary 22 only. That's why I'm always keeping more than one server. Okay, for that purpose only. So let me do one thing. I'll just try to complete that Bex one today. Okay. If welcome 1, 2, 3.
Laptop client is responding.
And what I need to do is I need to go to our RSA1. Okay.
Yeah.
So here what I'll do is mm-hmm. 1 minute control B. I need to check the data actually what data we have here. Why so many data? Let me check with list data. Mm, Employee sales data suppliers. Okay, what we can do now, we can quickly create some small table first, and we'll try to do. Okay, that one is fine. So we have only uh, four items. Okay,
Okay.
but let me quickly add some sales or salary into it. Okay, I'm
So
just
we can
taking
take the, I mean, the date of birth part. I mean, that contains only three rows.
date of
Um,
birth.
yeah, this one. No, no, not this one. Employee date of birth. There must be one Excel with that name.
This one.
No, employee details. Employee date of birth. It was the previous. Which one you selected on the top row? Top row,
This
fourth.
one.
Yeah, only
This one you're
employee.
talking about? This
This
is
is
only
only.
employee. Yeah, only employee. It is there only.
No, there was one table with employee date of birth. The one which I was
No,
working
that
on.
is not. That is not in this. Employee details is there for here. Maybe that is on another server. Okay.
Okay, so I mean, we have switched back to the previous server.
Yes. Okay. And instead of phone number, I'm putting salary. Okay.
No.
Time. Let me check the data first. Till where we have records. Okay, that's fine. So that is employee one. Okay.
Yeah.
Quickly I go to source system. Let me okay. So create source system. Okay. The file. Okay. ZSS ZSS underscore ROS. Okay.
Okay.
Office services or R. Okay. Just note it down.
Yeah.
ZSS on notepad you can do it. Okay.
Otherwise, yeah. Done.
System is taking time. 1 minute. That one is created. Okay. As for R, I will go to data source. Okay.
Yeah.
First of all, refresh your directory into file and
So is this related? I mean, the one which we are creating on BW, I mean, that should be related to HANA. Is it
no, that
something?
is not related to HANA. That is not related to HANA. Okay. That one I am creating only for showing the BEX queries actually.
Oh, okay,
Okay.
okay.
BEX queries are not mapped to that BW HANA. Okay. Then
Okay.
the application component application file I'm creating source. So Z DS underscore ROS. This is the transaction data. Then wait. Let me add mm, exception of the office services. No?
Yeah.
Office services or employee? Employee one, I guess. Employee
No,
one have taken. See,
it must be open there.
uh, see, employee one.
Okay. You can close it, no? I mean, before.
No, I'm closing. I'm closing that.
Okay.
Oh, okay, so one.
CSV.
Okay. Mm, ID first name. Okay, ID first name. Everything is fine. No field.
Yeah, I mean, even today while creating this, I mean,
Mm-hmm.
I was in the same step. I mean, after extraction, I went to proposal,
Mm-hmm.
and after proposal, when I went to field, I mean, the Excel which I chose, it contained a row called years.
Mm-hmm.
So BW was showing me error that these are the reserved tables and it can't and this cannot be taken by, I mean, somebody else.
Okay.